Let me ask you something. Do you ever look back at old photos and think, wow, I remember when I felt strong, when I could move with ease? If you're over 60, you might feel like muscle loss is just part of getting older. But what if I told you it's never too late to rebuild strength, naturally? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 natural powders that can help you rebuild muscle after 60. These aren't magic bullets, but they support your body's natural power to heal, grow, and thrive. First up, whey protein isolate. This classic is a favorite for a reason. It's rich in amino acids, especially leucine, which is crucial for muscle repair. Add a scoop to your morning smoothie or a glass of milk. It's gentle on digestion, and studies show it helps older adults regain muscle mass. Next, collagen peptides. As we age, our collagen levels drop, which affects not just our skin, but our muscles and joints too. Collagen peptides powder can support muscle recovery and keep your joints comfortable so you can keep moving. I add mine to my coffee every morning and I feel the difference. Number 3, spirulina. Don't let the green color scare you off. This blue-green algae is packed with protein, iron, and antioxidants. Spirulina can help nourish your muscles and fight off inflammation. Try mixing it with yogurt or blend it into a smoothie for a nutrient boost. Fourth on the list is beetroot powder. This vibrant powder supports blood flow, and better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients for your recovering muscles. Plus, it adds a sweet, earthy flavor to juices and shakes. And finally, pea protein. If dairy isn't your thing, this plant-based powder is high in protein and easy to digest. Studies show it's just as good as whey for rebuilding muscle, especially when paired with some light resistance exercise. So there you have it, 5 natural powders to help you rebuild muscle, regain strength, and feel confident in your body again. Remember, small steps make big changes over time. Start with just one powder and see how your body responds. If you've tried any of these or have your own tips for staying strong after 60, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your journey. Thank you for watching, and remember, your best years are still ahead. Keep moving, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.